In this video, I am going to show you how to add Grammarly to Microsoft Word. A grammar check is a great addition to any word processing program. Downloading a writing editor can help catch spelling, grammatical errors as you type, and improve your writing skills. And Grammarly got you for that. Go to Grammarly.com and set up either a free or premium account using your best email or social login. Inside the Grammarly web app, navigate to the app section on the left-hand side toolbar. Download the relevant app for Windows or Mac. Complete the installation and log into your Grammarly account. The app works across all writing apps and it is the easiest way to use it inside Word. Alternatively, simply install Grammarly for your browser and follow the steps. Write or work within Microsoft Word as normal. You can still check for grammar errors using the traditional checker or by pressing F7. However, when you want to edit in Word, look for the floating Grammarly icon. Click on this to activate its suggestions, and you might also be interested in using it to correct or check your work. Grammarly automatically checks your Word documents for grammar and spelling mistakes as you work. To see and fix these mistakes, click within a cell and work through them using the tooltip navigation tool. Start with the critical grammar errors. They would be in red, and the fix would be in green on the Grammarly. If you find writing in Word challenging due to Grammarly suggestions, turn it off. Simply click on your Grammarly icon, click on the gear cog, and turn it off indefinitely. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.